changed, our music's changed. I think we were harder, but
I think our sound changed when people became more adept at their instruments, because some of us were really new to our instruments when we first started. And I think as the band grew, the sound changed, and I think that we're pretty pleased with where the band is now sound-wise.
All right. Well, I understand you guys are video stars.
Yeah, that's us.
we love television.
As you can tell.
Can't tell.
Welcome to 30 Go. You got 2 videos. Why don't you tell me about the first video? It was called Out of Touch.
Right. It was. They're both done by Alleyworks, a local company, and Out of Touch did very well. And the new one is called How Does It Feel? And they're 2 totally different types of video, but they both have done really well.
How do they both differ from each other?
Out of Touch is more pop, fun, dance.
Sort of nonsense.
Nonsense.
Very light.
Light.
Whereas How Does It Feel is our first try at being political. It has a lot to do with people that don't have anything and people who have so much that they don't even realize what they have. We just like seeing it on TV just as much as everybody else.
How long has the new video been on the V?
About a week now. It's going into its 2nd week.
Now do you still see Out of Touch?
They still play it several times a day.
They told us it was still in the reoccurring rotation.
Tell me about the new